Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. There are not many things that are so beautiful that I will sit on my bathroom floor to show them to you, but this toilet paper holder from Keyaiira is one of them.
I was able to transform two of my bathrooms with this kit that came from Keyaiira. I chose the walnut and brass with the leather and the walnut wood, and everything you need comes right in this package. I was super impressed that for the toilet paper holder, they actually included a template of where the holes should be placed because I always struggle with that and I was so happy with it. This brass hardware is absolutely gorgeous and I love just that little extra touch that really helps to just elevate the space. And this towel ring holder is so gorgeous. I am so happy with it. I have been struggling to find one that I love for years, and this one is just such an art piece on its own. I love the extra little touch with the way that leather is clipped. And I love that this is a small business that makes all of their things by hand. It just feels so special to have these really unique pieces in my home.
If you're not dragging people into your bathroom to show them your towel holder and your toilet paper holder, then you really need to get this set from Keyaiira because they are gorgeous, high quality, and you are going to love them and want everyone to see them. And that is my point of view.